All right, so here is the 18-wheeler that turned over. It's in Dacula. It's an intersection of Dacula Road and Auburn Road, over by where the Ingalls used to be, and now it is a One Life Fitness Center. So we're just waiting for them to get all the chains connected. They connected the one to the cab already. Actually, there's two connected to the cab. And then they're working on the other part with the lift there that they have. And I think I heard them say they needed another chain. So now the guy's going to climb up there on the side of the truck and put another chain on there. So they have two chains on the back. They said the load was off so that they couldn't do it the way they originally wanted to. They're having to do it this way.